How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best setting for your AOC CQ32G3SE Gaming Monitor. And for the second way, you want to head over to your system settings. Go ahead and click on System, navigate through Display, scroll all the way down until you find the Advanced Display option. From here, you want to navigate through the refresh rates and you just want to choose the highest number possible. Basically, the higher the number, the smoother the monitor is. So just select the highest number possible on this menu. And basically from there, let's head over to the on-screen setting or the OSD display setting. So you want to press the buttons below your monitor or there's going to be a joystick right beside or behind the back of your monitor, so just press on it and this window will show up on which we can then apply the following setting. Now for refresh rate, it's going to be 165. For the adaptive sync, you want to turn this on. For game mode, you want to set it to standard or FPS. For overdrive, set it to medium. And basically for shadow control, 50 or 60, and the game color is going to be 10 or 12. This helps us see enemies better in dark areas. Now for the display setting, it's going to be 60 and 75 for brightness, but of course you can adjust this depending on your room lighting. Contrast at 50, gamma at 1 to 3, and the color temperature is going to be warm or normal. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.